Hi, this is Kim Schmidt. We're here today with Dr. Odilza Vital. We're at the Vital Kirk Institute of Ageless Living, and we're going to be talking to world-renowned physician, Dr. Odilza Vital. She's going to speak to us about a unique therapy that she's been doing for women, for their skin. It's called carboxytherapy. She's a member of the A4M of the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. She's a doctor in Brazil in endocrinology. She has many specialties, and I'm going to introduce her to the audience. Welcome and thank you for joining us today, Dr. Vital. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you, Kim.
You're here from Brazil all the way.
Yes, all the way.
Wow, that's amazing. So,
big trip.
So tell us what you're doing over there and in America.
Okay, you're talking about carbox therapy. Carbox therapy is something that started in France many years ago, and they use with a medical purpose. That means to heal up wounds and so on. But then the technique went to beauty, and now that's the way we use in Brazil. I was the first one to use that technique in Rio de Janeiro, and I brought to New York.
So tell us how the women here in New York can get this therapy and how they can use this therapy.
It's very easy. The carbox therapy, you inject the CO2 with something natural. When you breathe, you exhale CO2, and when you introduce CO2 in the skin, you increase the oxygenation. So this oxygenation, you're gonna bring a big collagen production.
Wow.
So because of that, you have a firm skin, and the wrinkles, they attenuate a lot, and the skin looks much younger.
Wow. I hear it's being used as an alternative to Botox, that it's safer, that it's less painful. Can you tell us about how that would compare to that?
Yeah, you use that technique. You go right to the wrinkle, and because you have a collagen production, you decrease the groove, so you decrease the wrinkle, you improve the circulation, you improve the oxygenation, and you improve the skin.
And I heard they're using it for scar tissue and stretch marks and cellulite and dark circles.
Yeah. Depending of the deepness that you inject the CO2, you can have also, burning of the fat in that area, because fat tissue metabolism is related to its oxygenation. So when you inject the CO2, you have a big amount of oxygen coming to that tissue, and in such a way you burn the fat. For scars, if you don't have, it's a very thick and big scar, you can make it flat, flatter, so you improve the appearance, you not remove the scar. And also the stretch marks, they improve the appearance, they look smoother than before.
Well, this is exciting news for women, because so many women are afraid of Botox, they're afraid of fillers, and this is just really exciting. And so you're doing this here now in New York City with Dr. Kirk.
Yes.
And they can come and visit you here in the city. You can reach us at 917-723-8933. And your website, if you want to let the audience know.
Yes, Odilza Vital, ODILZAVITAL.com.
Okay, wonderful. So they can reach us that way.
And we have 3 versions. We have English, Spanish, and Portuguese because they
Wow.
come from Rio de Janeiro.
Wow. And she's also the author of the best-selling book, Lose Weight Forever, which is actually, she worked in coordinates with Dr. Atkins
Dr.
to do
Atkins.
the Brazilian version of this book.
Yeah, he
And-
wrote the preface of my book, and it was very related to Dr. Atkins, and I miss him a lot. And including I have in my website the Atkins link.
Wow.
So if you go to my website, you click in Atkins link, and you see many pictures of me with Dr. Atkins, including in the Tavern of the Green.
One of my favorite restaurants.
Yeah,
It's no
happily-
longer, right?
No longer. So when he completed 70 years old in his birthday, he had a big party over there. He put me side to him, Veronica in one side, and I was in the other side.
Wow.
So that was very, very nice, and he was a very good friend, and I miss him a lot.
Fantastic. Well, Dr. Vitale will be speaking at the A4M, the Anti-Aging Conference in
Talking
Orlando.
about hormones and andropause, menopause, women's health, and use and abuse of steroids, and that's going to be in March 25th to 27th, and in Orlando it's going to be, I'm going to talk about modular hormonal modulation and anti-aging, and that's going to be in April. I believe 15th to 17th.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, we thank you so much for joining us today, and we're really looking forward to all the ladies looking at Dr. Vitale's website, looking into the carboxytherapy, because this is an exciting new treatment that's come to America thanks to Dr. Vitale, and we hope to see you all soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kim.
Thank you.